This is a short video to show you how to set up document automations to automatically request appropriate documents from your clients based on the information in their application. To start, head to the Document Automations tab. Here you'll see a number of rules available. You can request documents based on general rules or income rules. For example, if your client has a commission income, assets, the subject property, and your client is personal status. Click the header of each section to expand and collapse the lists. To set your automation, choose the rule you want to set. For example, if the client has indicated that they have an hourly income, click Edit to edit the types of documents in the category. You can remove existing documents by clicking the red garbage can and add additional document types by clicking Select Document Type and entering any additional documents required. Add a description to clearly identify what is required from your client. When you're finished, click Done. To ensure that your automation is turned on, switch this toggle to active once you've set up your document automations. Document requests will automatically be sent to your clients as soon as they submit either the simple or full application. If you've chosen to request the same document type for two separate rules, for example, if you would like to request a pay stub when hourly income is selected and if a current job is selected, if both rules apply, the system will remove the duplicates before sending the request to the client. That's how you set up document automations in Filogix Expert Pro.